I'm Yuen Khai. I'm a Malaysian. I'm based in Hong Kong, but we have offices in Hong Kong and in Malaysia as well. So our main business, we have a few entities. One is that we do SaaS solution, where we provide all the digitization solutions to big corporate, Nestle, Wire, the banks and all big corps, where we do the digital transformation solution for them. Now, over the last few years, we have actually also built another few businesses in Web3, in blockchain area. So there are a few verticals that we focus on. The first vertical is RWA, the real world asset, where we do tokenization in that space. And then we also started the supply chain solution vertical, where we put loyalty points, vouchers on chain, right? That kind of solution. Now, of course, we also build AI solution, where we provide the AI solution, advisory solution to the wealth management company, so that they can process their kind of advice or proposal in a much faster way of delivery to the clients. So these are the benefits that we are slowly driving. So we work with banks, we work with financial institutions to help them to how to move towards this new model. I think there's no restrictions. It depending on how open the people willing to change. Right? In fact, a lot of people will skip and leapfrog to a new technology. Right? If you look at China, for example, right, they skip maybe the check and the cards, right, and the online payment as in the bank, and then go straight to wallet, right? So the same thing for example in Malaysia, for example, right? So Malaysia, suddenly you see the QR payment start picking up right after the COVID and so on. So it's exactly. I mean, there are many different kind of like wallet to wallet kind of payments and enabled in all the countries. Now, so for this technology change, it depends on who drives it and who willing to change it. Now, how to make it impact? Now we talk about the AsiaPay collaboration. All right. So where what we have done is that we work together. We actually tokenize the carbon credit, the certified carbon credit. We put in on blockchain, right? And then where AsiaPay can use that assets as a reward to the client, right? Take for example, a logistic clients that have been using your services. So instead of rebate them with some cash or some vouchers and so on, right? So AsiaPay will actually use this kind of rebate, carbon credit, to reward back to the clients, where the clients see that's the impact because they also indirectly contribute to the world, right? To turn the world to more green. So that's where. That's how we came out and said that we should work on this program together. So what we do, as I mentioned, we will actually purchase the carbon credit, certified carbon credit. We tokenize them, fractionize it so that we can actually reward it to the clients. And then when they accumulate it, once they accumulated to a certain amount, they would like to offset their carbon footprint. Then we will go back to the certified body to get a certification and now request for the offset, and then we'll put that certificate on chain as well. So that going forward, when auditor comes in or whoever needs to check that, like you talk about transparency, you talk about traceability, we have that record on chain. So this is one of the very first program in the region that linked all this kind of carbon credit with a payment that we are collaborating with AsiaPay to roll out in the market in the region.
I see. So this is essentially a asset tokenization project in the payment space.
Yes, right? That's right. And also ESG, it's a green asset that we are tokenizing. AsiaPay, we have been working very closely in the SaaS entity, right? And then where we see that because of the payments and the supply chain is always related, right? And then now we also start working on, like for example, one of the product that we have is actually apart from carbon credit as a reward. We also tokenize the loyalty points, and also we have actually onboarded many vouchers right around the region, right, into our platform. And then now we're looking at that, how can we work together on the payment space? How can we actually take this kind of like solution that we have to enable it to the AsiaPay the clients as a value-added services that we can offer in the market together. Given that you're in the payment space, people are talking about the tokenized deposit, people are talking about stable coin, talking about CBDC, right? Yeah, so these are just the currency, right? Or the digital asset currency.
Yes.
So where's the use case?
Yeah.
Right? So you have to be on the same platform, that you can actually do this exchange or settlement. So once we have whatever I told you just now is all the use cases of the digital assets.
Yeah.
We provide a digital assets management platform where the clients can tokenize, can manage the assets and so forth. But more importantly, we build use cases on top. I think this is just the first 20 years. You have many 20 years to come. Given the growth of the coverage of the AsiaPay, I think AsiaPay will do well in the region with your foundation that you have, as long as you continue to work with partners like us together. Congratulations to AsiaPay.